Hello viewers. Do you find it hard to get traffic from the social web? Having troubles in managing the social media platforms? And unable to spare much time for this work? Well, social algorithms are tough. They are getting harder and harder to get more traffic from Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn and every other social site out there. In our previous video, we had discussed 7 social media post ideas for business, and now we are going to explore how to get more social traffic by using 7 free social media management tools. First of all, we have a question for you. How many of you guys are getting little to no traffic from Facebook? If you are getting little to no traffic, leave a comment with yes. If you are getting a tons of traffic, leave a comment with no. Let us discuss these free social media management tools we are going to discuss today would not just help you to get more traffic from Facebook, but they will also help you get more traffic from all the major social media sites. Before I give you these free tools, make sure you subscribe to this channel, because I am going to keep releasing more amazing content like this, that will help you get higher and boost your social media traffic. The first tool we have for you guys is an easy one. Hootsuite. Hootsuite is a social media management system that gives users an integrated user interface, from which you will enable to manage your social interactions. Hootsuite supports Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Instagram, Foursquare and more. It allows you to schedule your social content out. With Hootsuite, not only you can share content on all social sites with ease and a few clicks, but you can also schedule out your content many months in advance. This is important because most people share their content once on social sites, like Twitter, but if you share your content on Twitter 6 times in a year, that same piece of content, you will roughly get 2 to 3 times more traffic. It is a simple hack, it works well and you should be doing that. Remember, when you share your content most of the people would not see it, so there is nothing wrong with sharing that content 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times throughout the year. We usually do that same piece of content once every 2 months, or roughly 6 times a year. The next tool we have for you is ManyChat. ManyChat is a game-changing communication tool that lets you create Facebook Messenger bots to market your brand. ManyChat helps business can level up marketing, sales, and support using Facebook Messenger. ManyChat's visual drag and drop bot builder makes it easy and simple to set up your Facebook Messenger bot. Although you are struggling to get traffic from Facebook, ManyChat will solve that. It is a chatbot tool, leverages Facebook Messenger, and what you will find is, the click-through and the open rates are ridiculous. It beats out email. If you want easy traffic, leverage ManyChat. What it will do is when people come to your website, they can subscribe to you through Facebook Messenger, and then when you have a blog post or message, you can push it out through ManyChat. You will get open rates above 60% and you will get click-through rates well above 30, 40, 50%. The numbers are crazy. Over time, it drops down, but even when it drops down, you will still see your click-through rate above 30%. It is that effective. On number 3, from social media management tools, we have for you BuzzSumo. BuzzSumo is a great tool to help round out your editorial calendar and boost your SEO through content marketing efforts. You end up writing content. When you write content a lot of times, you share it on the social web, and no one wants to like it or comment or engage with it. But with BuzzSumo, it will show you all the other popular articles within your space and all the ones that are not popular. Look at the topics that are popular, write more of that on your blog, promote those on Facebook, on LinkedIn, on Twitter, and again you will get more traffic because you are only writing stuff that people want to read about and see versus just writing whatever you want to write about. The fourth from free social media management tools is Social Blade. I know it is the site that everyone knows when it comes to YouTube, but they do more than YouTube. They also do Instagram, they do Twitter, they do all the major social sites out there. What is cool about Social Blade is, it will show you your subscriber growth over time, as well as how much content you are pushing out. It will help you find patterns on, if we put out 5 tweets, do we get more followers, versus if we only put out 1 tweet. Or, on YouTube, how many more subscribers we are getting per day, based on how much content we are producing. This will help optimize how much content you should be creating to get the maximum number of subscribers, fans, and followers. The next tool we want you to use is Hellobar. You are probably wondering, what does Hellobar have to do with social media? Hellobar helps you collect emails from your website. Here is the thing. In the first hour that you are posting content on the social web, any social site, if it does really well, the chances are it will go viral. Use Hellobar to collect emails from your blog or your website. When you collect these emails, then when you push out content on the social web, you send out an email blast to all your email subscribers, saying, hey, check out this post on Facebook or LinkedIn or Twitter. That will help you get way more retweets, likes, shares, and that will make the post go viral. The sixth and most important from free social media management tools is subscribers. Subscribers is similar to Hellobar, but instead of helping you collect emails, it helps you collect browser notifications subscribers. That way, when people are browsing your site on Chrome, they can click one button, subscribe, and you can push out a notification, and let all these people know when you have new content that just came out, and you can even push them to the social sites. That way, when it gets released in the first hour, you will get more likes, shares, and comments. Again, this will help you go more viral. The seventh free tool we have for you is Zoho Social. Zoho Social makes it easy to work with your team members, and on top of that, they help you research keywords. By using Zoho Social, it will help you determine what keyword you be targeting when you are going after these social sites, because if you are using the wrong keywords in your titles, descriptions, throughout the whole text, you will find that not as many people will see it. A lot of people are doing searches on these social sites. A lot of people use Twitter search. Use the right keywords, you will get more traffic. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. You can also read a detailed article on these 7 social media management tools on our SEO Expert Tips website. The link is in the description. Of course, if you need help with your social media marketing, must check out our previous video on 7 social media post ideas for business. If you found this video helpful, like it, share it, subscribe our YouTube channel, tell other people about it, follow our Facebook page. Stay tuned, we are coming with more amazing and helpful videos.